Before you quit YouTube, before you delete that channel, before you say, I am tired, nothing is working, listen to me very carefully. This message is for you. The person who has been posting videos, trying your best, praying, hoping, and believing, but yet the views are not coming. And because of this, you feel invisible, feel tired. You feel like maybe YouTube is not for you. But I'm here to tell you something that may change your entire YouTube journey. See, you need to understand that you are not failing, simply learning what works. Every big YouTuber you admire today, every single one of them, they all had a point where they wanted to quit. Yes, even the ones with millions of subscribers today. There was a time they were posting consistently and were getting only 3 views, 10 views, 20 views. And the sad part, sometimes those views came from only their family members. But guess what? They kept going. And that is why you can see them today. They kept going not because they were talented, not because they were ill-lucky, not because YouTube favored them, but because they refused to stop. Now let me tell you something a lot of creators do not realize, especially small creators. Your breakthrough video may actually be the next one you upload. YouTube success do not come slowly, it comes suddenly. One video can change your entire destiny. One idea, one thumbnail, and one moment of consistency. Okay, you may think, oh, I've been posting, but nothing is happening. Just listen to me. Growth on YouTube does not happen gradually. It happens suddenly after consistency. You may not see the progress today, but trust me, YouTube is studying your habits. It's learning your style. It's simply learning who your videos are for. You may actually have taken a long time to get to this point that YouTube gets to understand who your videos are for because of the certain mistakes you've made on your channel, which you can decide to correct today. For example, if you've been posting different type of things on your channel and making it difficult for YouTube to actually understand who your audience are and to push those videos to the right audience, I'm telling you, it can even take you like 6 years, 7 years before you finally get monetized. Because by the time you post a video today and you're talking about cooking, you post next tomorrow you're talking about gaming, the next one you're talking about fashion, the other one you're talking about skincare, the algorithm gets confused. If you can listen to me right now and decide to choose one single niche and focus on that niche, I bet you from now to the next 6 months, highest 7 months, you must have studied your audience and will start pushing your content to the right people. See, if you're watching me right now and you've not even started a YouTube channel and you just want to start a YouTube channel, the best thing you can actually do for yourself to grow periodically, to grow very fast, spontaneously, is to choose a niche. Don't be tempted to do different type of things on your channel because you feel like it's going to give you view. So if you've made that mistake already, it's time for you to restart. Start afresh. Instead of thinking you're quitting, start afresh. Picking a niche and sticking to it will actually do you a whole lot of good and will skyrocket your growth on your channel. Like I said, you may not see the growth today, but YouTube is studying your habits. It's learning your style. It's simply learning who your videos are meant for. And one day, it connects the right viewers to the right video and everything changes. That is when you will now see a viral video that suddenly comes to your channel. You see that creator that grew fast. You don't know their story. Some of them already had experience. Some of them already had channels they've grown. People already know them. So if they decide to open a new channel today, it can get 1,000 subscribers today and monetize today. That is because they already have a standing audience. Even if they don't have a YouTube channel they've already grown before, they already have a standing platform in other social media platforms. All they need is to just tell their audience, oh, I just opened a new YouTube channel, and immediately they're getting 200 subscribers. And the thing is, some of them that are already big today, that you know that they've grown so much right now, they once had 200 subscribers and they stopped in 200 subscribers for even a year, and then all of a sudden they finally had a viral video that changed everything for them. Some of them that even grew so fast, they had mentors. Some of them have learned editing for years before they started. But on your own case, you're just learning how to edit your videos, you're just learning how to create thumbnail, and that is why the views are not really coming. But if you decide today that you're not going to quit, you're going to learn more about editing, you're going to learn more about how to craft your thumbnail, you're going to learn more about how to craft captivating titles, you're suddenly going to start seeing results. So instead of quitting, you learn. Try to find out your mistakes and try to work on them. It's just unfortunate that some of us compare our 3 month journey on YouTube to people that are already doing it for 5 years, 4 years, 7 years. They post a video today and in 6 minutes they're already having like 2,000 views, and you're like, God, when am I a spoon? These people have built for years. They know their onions already, but you're just starting. So you should not even compare yourself to them at all. You need to understand that your journey is different. You are unique. The slow pace you are getting or your pace is simply perfect for the journey you're building, for who you are becoming. The moment you stop comparing yourself and start building, your channel is going to change. You need to understand that you are simply planting, you are not failing. When you plant a seed today, you don't expect it to germinate today. It's going to take a process, it's going to grow and till it gets to its harvest. And then you start seeing your results. Just like when a farmer plants a seed, he waters it, and then he waits. And then he keeps nurturing it because he knows something is happening underground. That is the same way YouTube growth works. Your videos are seeds. Your consistency is water. And the fact that you can't see results right now doesn't mean that something is not working. It means something is growing underground. And one day it's going to break the surface. The algorithm does not hate your channel. YouTube does not hate your channel. The algorithm is not your enemy. YouTube simply wants just one thing. It wants viewers to enjoy your content. So when you improve on titles, your thumbnails, your storytelling, your editing, viewer experience, like I've said earlier, everything is going to change automatically. And you may not know this, but someone somewhere is waiting for your video. Is waiting for your message, your creativity, your knowledge, your personality. There's someone out there who will only learn something just because you taught it. Not another creator, not a bigger channel, but simply you. You may not get it, but you are someone's favorite YouTuber. They just haven't found you. Your voice really matters. Please do not rob the world of your gifts just because you are impatient. You just have to keep showing up even when it hurts, even if you have to do it afraid. YouTube is not easy. It will break you. It will frustrate you. It will test your patience. But those who win are those who stay. Just imagine how proud you're going to feel when you look back and say, I almost quit, but I didn't. Imagine receiving a message that says, your video changed my life. Imagine seeing a video of yours reaching 100,000 views. Imagine turning your passion into income. All that is simply waiting for you on the other side of not quitting. So before you quit, hear this. Your future self is begging you not to quit. So keep going. You are not wasting your time. You are not unlucky. You are not a failure. You are a creator in the making. Keep going. Keep moving. Keep posting. Keep showing up. And if no one has ever told you this before, hear it from me today. You will make it on YouTube. You will grow. You will succeed. You don't quit. I'm saying this to myself as well. I really hope I'm going to see you one day and be glad this message touched you. If you enjoyed this video, do well to like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell. And most importantly, do well to share this video to a YouTuber out there who is already feeling frustrated, who is ready to quit immediately, so that they will be encouraged as well. Thank you for watching. Bye, and see you in the next one. You can check out my other videos. You'll also get to learn a lot of things from them. Thank you for watching. Bye.